EAS of the Year award, okay? It's easy to nominate somebody. Just go to our website, pull off the nomination form, read the nomination form, and you'll see where it goes to. It goes to the retirees, and they go through all the applications, and then they choose from this form. I'm just gonna read a little bit, okay? This person is a proud American whose true patriotism was on display in the 2022 flag burial ceremony at Mount Cheahaw. His leadership of the Alabama Chapter shows the quality I admire most: honor, integrity, service, leadership, and loyalty. He is a man who leads his family, friends, and employees with honor, pride, respect, and dignity. These qualities represent a man that is not only EAS of the Year, but a true example of what we should all strive to be in our daily lives at home, in our community, and within the Postal Service and UPMA leaders. He's, if I'm wrong, he will correct me. He's a retired Master Sergeant from the Army.
No.
No?
No.
No. Leader?
Sergeant Major.
Sergeant Major from the Army. He's been Postmaster at Atmore and is now working for the Homeland Security. So if you ain't figured it out by now, our EAS of the Year is Lester Cogollo.
Christy, can you take some shots, just some stills?
Tell them that's
Thank you. For my pleasure. It's been my pleasure, even though I'm not with the Postal Service anymore, I'm with the Postal Inspection Service. I am still active, I am still around, and if you need anything, just call me.